you've got the ability. We are able, especially women, we are able to do this, and you mustn't sleep on your capabilities. No one must come to you and tell you that you cannot do this, especially in construction. That mmereko ke mmereko wa banna, ga se mmereko wa banna, ke mmereko o rona basadi re ka o etsang. Ethically, it's found that women are more stronger than men. You know, ga o le mosadi o kry-ile 100 ranta, mo 100 ranteng o thoma o lebelela gore ko gae ke tlhoka eng, bana ba tlhoka eng. Mare motho wa ntate a ka se bone yalo, o bona mabaka a gapile ko saeteng, 2 years ga sena 2 years e fela ke gone yanong a tlang ka change ko lapeng. So even in businesses, it's not different. When you are running a business and you are a woman, when you get paid, first you look at what is needed in a business. You close those gaps before you can even pay dividends to you as a director, you know. But men, they will do the other way around. So I would say, women in construction, we need you. So I could say, warm up yourself, continuously uplift yourself, continuous skilling, continuous learning, so that when that time comes, then you are ready to run. So I will say, please, let's continuously uplift ourselves, let's continuously read, let's learn, let's gear up and be ready for the time.